So this was the easy beginner scrunchie, and this is the second in the 5-part scrunchie tutorial session. For this today's scrunchie, I am going to use 2 colors of yarn held together and a 4mm crochet hook. First I am going to make a slip stitch. Now I have the slip stitch on my hook. Insert the hook into the elastic, bring up a loop with the, make sure you get both the yarns, then yarn over hook, go through both the stitches on the hook. So again insert, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the both the loops, insert, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through both the loops on the hook. Repeat this one all around. You can pause the video and go ahead to make single crochets all around this elastic. I made 24 single crochets across the elastic. Insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through and pull through again. Now that round is done. Now we can cut this. I am going to use my 3mm crochet hook and the blue yarn only on the back loops of this one. I'm going to attach the yarn here with a slip stitch. Now chain 1. Now make a chain, then make 2 more chains. Then I am going to make 2 more double crochet in this same stitch. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over hook and go through the next 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 3 DCs because we are considering this first chain 3 as a double crochet. Now you can go ahead and make 3 double crochet in all of these stitches. You have the option to crochet over the yarn tail. It will help you not to weave in the yarn tail. That's the crochet tip. So go ahead and finish this one. Now I finished that, and now I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the 3rd chain here. Pull through and pull through. Now we are going to make a chain 2 in single crochet in the next one. So in this round we are going to make a chain 2 and single crochet. Chain 2, single crochet in the next stitch. So go ahead and make this one. Since we are making more stitches in one stitch, it is going to ruffle. That is how you make the ruffled crochet. Make more stitches in the one stitch in the previous row. Now we are in the last stitch. We are going to make a single crochet in the beginning one. It looks like this. Now we can cut the yarn. Just pull it through to get locked in place. We will weave this tail inside here at the end. I'm going to take my pink color on the same 3mm hook, I'm going to work on the front loop of the stitches which we didn't work. So attach the yarn with the slip stitch, then make chain 2, then make 2 more half double crochet in the same stitch. So yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now that yarn over and go through all the 3 loops on the hook. Make sure you are doing it very relaxedly, otherwise you will get the front loops pulled up too much. Take your time to do it. Crochet is a relaxing hobby, so you can do it taking your time, being mindful or mindless, but very relaxedly. So go ahead and make a 3 half double crochet all across. Now we are going to join to the top of that chain 2 with a slip stitch. Now make 1 chain, then a single crochet, make a single crochet in the same space, then chain 1, make a single crochet in the same space, chain 1, single crochet, then chain 1, single crochet again, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet again in the same stitch. Repeat that one. So chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Continue this way all the way around. Now our 2-layer scrunchie is finished. All it is left is to weave the yarn tails in. It's like a 2-layer ruffled. So pretty, right? Stay tuned for the next one.